absolutely boundless. Crush it. Amidst the rapid development of forestry technology, heavy machinery is pushing the boundaries, creating powerful and eye-catching performances. It is hard to believe that despite careful measurements and professional work, not all calculations go as expected. When the saw blade touched the tree trunk, everything seemed to be going smoothly until the moment the tree suddenly fell back onto the overhead power lines, creating a completely unexpected incident. Like a beast in the jungle, the Tiger Cat L x 830D- a logger with a 300 horsepower engine and a sharp hot saw system rushes into giant tree trunks. Its decisive and stable cutting power helps it handle each tree in the blink of an eye. It truly is a legend. The LP-49 silently hauls wood through deep forests, undeterred by harsh weather and rugged terrain. With its enduring power and optimized design, this machine continues to operate smoothly, becoming a formidable symbol in the logging industry. With the goal of optimizing wood-cutting tasks, the Timber Pro TL735D, featuring a 174 horsepower engine, paired with the Skidmore CF24, forms the ideal duo for cutting hardwood. The machine is equipped with an advanced control system, providing powerful and flexible operation, ensuring precise and efficient wood cutting and optimizing work productivity. The AM300 grinder makes a powerful impression, capable of turning an entire forest into sawdust in a short time. With its strong power and advanced technology, the machine easily handles large amounts of wood, transforming them into fine sawdust, ready for use in various industries. On the cold winter road from Yentala-Kyoto to Novaya Ijerma, the timber truck encountered an issue when it got stuck between a snow and ice crack. Despite being equipped with a powerful 500 horsepower engine, the truck couldn't free itself from this dangerous situation. This caused delays and the need for urgent assistance to get the job done. What an appos is going on here? The timber truck looks quite funny, as it transports wood while seemingly playing a seesaw and popping its wheels up. Despite its powerful 400 horsepower engine, the truck just can't end appos to maintain balance on the slope, making it look like it and appos is trying to, end quote, fly, end quote, through the turns. A battle of the most powerful trucks, Mercedes-Benz, Iveco 6x6, Ural, Kamaz, and TAM 150. Each vehicle demonstrates its power, off-road capability, and outstanding performance. This fierce confrontation is not only exciting, but also shows the technological level of each brand. Thanks to advanced technology, the CBI 5400 with its powerful 440 horsepower engine efficiently crushes wood waste. Loaded by a shovel, the machine handles large pieces of wood waste, turning them into compact debris, optimizing the recycling process and boosting work productivity. Check out the ultimate logging duo. The Peterson 5710C and 5710D horizontal grinders with powerful tracks work in unison, roaring across the forest floor. With their powerful engines and sharp blades, they slice through wood, creating an impressive, strong, and efficient mechanical performance. During operations, the TDT-55 cable unexpectedly snaps due to the immense strain while working through dense fir trees. Despite its strong design, the cable couldn't and oppose withstand the high tension in this harsh environment, causing a disruption in the operation and requiring immediate repairs. You might not have imagined this situation, but it and Oppo's real. This dump truck is facing issues while transporting over 22,000 pounds of overloaded wood, struggling with mobility. Immediate assistance is needed to overcome this challenge and help the truck continue its journey safely and efficiently. You'll surely be impressed by the power of the Fuchs 350 MHL. Equipped with a powerful engine and a load capacity of up to 770,000 pounds, this machine effortlessly handles large wooden crates. With its versatile features and exceptional performance, the Fuchs 350 MHL is the optimal choice for projects requiring both strength and precision. The custom-built wood splitter is operating powerfully with a 25 horsepower engine, allowing for quick and efficient wood splitting. Its optimized design provides excellent precision, saving both time and effort, making it ideal for heavy-duty tasks in the forestry industry. The member peeling machine is an efficient piece of machinery with a powerful engine, smooth operation, and high performance. Equipped with advanced technology, the machine peels wood quickly and accurately. Notably, this peeling machine can easily handle both hardwood and softwood with ease. When it comes to efficient wood processing solutions, the Typhon RCA 480 Joy Wood Splitter is a great choice. Equipped with a powerful 150 horsepower motor, the machine allows for quick and efficient wood processing. With a sturdy design and flexible features, the machine delivers high performance, easily splitting and chipping wood into small pieces, serving the needs of firewood production and other applications. To easily handle large logs, The new ADRO Dominator firewood processor, equipped with a powerful hydraulic system, can split wood up to 13 feet long with ease. The hydraulic height adjustment feature for the splitting wedge provides flexibility and high efficiency, making the task even more convenient. Every lift and drop of the logs is dangerous. A small mistake can cause unpredictable consequences. However, with extensive experience, they still work professionally, ensuring safety for themselves and those around them. For businesses looking to improve production efficiency, the Morbart 1100 tub grinder is a perfect choice. This grinder is not only powerful, but also very fuel efficient. With an intelligent control system, operators can easily customize parameters to suit each different type of raw material. The Cinnebogan machine, equipped with a 250 horsepower engine, is loading wood into the cargo hold quickly and efficiently. With its powerful and flexible lifting capacity, the machine ensures safe wood transportation and helps optimize the process during operation. Have you ever witnessed machines working with such power? In the woodworking shop, the machines operate methodically, from cutting and processing to finishing the wood. With their exceptional power and high precision, they transform difficult tasks into quick and efficient progress. Imagine wood processing becoming easier than ever. The Cinnebogan 735 wood handler turns a tough job into a satisfying experience. With its powerful performance and exceptional efficiency, the machine effortlessly handles hardwood, boosting productivity and reducing stress for the operator. DIY design ideas for pallet wood projects offer exciting creative opportunities. One unique idea is to build a wooden pet house from pallets. It and Appos is easy to make, cost-effective, and provides a cozy living space for your pets. With the advancement of technology, the new CNC 3D design, CNC24, brings exquisite and unique products. Using advanced technology, the CNC24 machine creates sharp and precise details, offering creativity and flexibility in design, making it suitable for a wide range of requirements.